Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So today viewers, I will show you beautiful denim crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is denim plant holder. Wrap denim around a flower pot or a simple fabric cover. Your indoor plants will look modern and fresh with the denim style. You can also make a denim cushions cover. Mix the different shades of blue denim to create interesting patterns. These cushions cover look perfect in living room, bedrooms, or reading corners. Denim wall out. So viewers, cut the heart-style flowers or leaves from denim and glue them into a canvas or wooden pot. This creative, beautiful handmade wall decoration for your home. And friends, my next idea is weavers. Friends, and the weavers. Another useful project is a denim organizer. String the pockets from origins into a large fabric piece. Hang it on the wall to store scissors, pen, keys, crafts, store and small accessories. The richness jeans pockets make the product both useful and attractive. And I hope you are enjoying my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for the more latest updates. Viewers, Allah Hafiz.